Who starts out?
You.
Oh, okay. Anyway, today we are going to be doing the popcorn challenge. We're just eating popcorn because we're very hungry, you guys. Especially him. He didn't want to eat popcorn, but now we found out that we're gonna do it, even though he started eating popcorn. So I'm gonna start off by going, and we're gonna see who finishes the popcorn first. Okay, let's go.
Oh my gosh, you didn't swallow yet.
You're ordinary.
I'm just like, and oh meow. Come here, meow. So cute self.
Say hi, Meow.
Hey, you're cheating. You made the popcorn fall out.
Nuh-uh.
More finish. Done. Who won?